What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm going to do another full house vacuuming to test vacuum cleaning performance. This time I thought I would go ahead and feature one of my custom built Hoover Elite 350s. And this is basically one of the custom Elite 350s that I have in my collection. And the brush roll setup I'm going to use in this is an old style Cleveland Wood Products brush roll that I managed to get a hold of. This is the older style of CWP replacement brush rolls that were available for these, but this particular design has been discontinued by CWP in replacement of that newer style one without these little air paths built inside the brush roll, which I have ran that brush roll on this vacuum, and it worked all right. But I wanted to see how this old style one that the design that almost emulates the genuine brush roll would perform compared to that one. And this one also doesn't have the cutouts for the 3-bar base plate. So this one was practically made for this older style of Elite. So it's going to be interesting how this performs. And the brush roll, or excuse me, the motor I'm going to be using in combination with this brush roll is the 5-amp motor that I recently rebuilt for this because it was starting to run a little bit louder than normal. So I managed to just get away with rebuilding the motor altogether, and it does have a replacement 7-blade fan. So it's pretty much the same as the last setup, 5-amp, 7-blade fan, but a different style CWP brush roll that they don't make anymore. So I got a fresh new HEPA Type A bag in, and let's get started. Because of the short cord length, I have to run it in the middle of my bedroom to get the entire vacuuming in one shot. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm not kidding you. Look at this. It's propelling itself. Amazing. The power of the brush just pulls it along. Never see that with too many brush rolls. But the grooming action, I will say, it leaves very nice lines, which is almost equivalent to a genuine Hoover brush roll. And the bristles, I will say, even though they are very soft, they are surprisingly very long. Just look at the way if you look at it from this angle, you can see just how far the bristles extend out beyond the base plate. Soft but very dense, and with no gap in between. This leaves just excellent carpet lines. So let's go ahead and continue on. That says something about the power of the brush roll. Alright, just like that, the full house cleaning is all complete. And this is definitely something that takes some getting used to. You pretty much don't even have to push the vacuum forward. It just pulls you along with the power of the brush. So that is probably going to take some getting used to with this brush roll. But let's see what the pickup results were. Now keep in mind, this has a 5 amp motor with a 7-bladed fan. So we'll see how everything turned out. Wow, amazing results. A lot of fibrous material from the downstairs rug, but definitely a mixture of pet hair and a whole lot of fine dust. So this is just amazing. So powerful brush roll to the point it pretty much makes the vacuum behave like a Hoover Concept 1 or a Hoover Power Drive. Or at least going forward, that is. But with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning with this custom Hoover Elite 350 with the old style CWP brush roll. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget, don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.